Dilmer's Rosie. We'll catch up with him in a bit, but I want to introduce you first to someone else who was told his time was up and who had the most unexpected reaction. He's Wilko Johnson, aka Ilan Payne, the mute executioner in the fantasy TV series Game of Thrones, cast, he says, for his ability to throw a really dirty look. But you may know him in another guise. If you're a fan of the 70s British music scene, he was the wild guitarist in Dr. Feelgood. You're listening to Outlook Weekend. TikTok. Wilko grew up on Canvey Island in the Thames Estuary, known for its oil refineries, its funfair, and its vibrant pub rock scene. In the 1960s, he was hanging out with a bunch of other rhythm and blues fans.
One of them was a solicitor's clerk, one of them was a bricklayer, and the other one was an ice cream man.
Wilko was an English teacher. He's a big fan of the Icelandic sagas and